Hello, hello, hello. Hello. चलो हेलो बच्चों, आवाज आ रही है? हेलो एवरीवन. हाय मैम. Everybody is able to see the screen and the voice properly. So let's start, students. ठीक है? चलो चलो. So everybody has revised whatever we have done till now. So everybody has revised whatever we have done till now. It's visible. Okay, okay. Come on, join fast, students. Join fast. Where is Basha? Lucky? Heat? Join, everybody, join. Where is Vinay? Vinay joined, okay. चलो सारे बच्चे आ गए, जल्दी. Where is Shubham? Pinaki just copying, huh? Now everybody, will we start? Come on, everybody, join fast. Hi Shubham. चलो लगभग सारे बच्चे ज्वाइन कर गए. चलो. Okay. So everybody has revised. Let's ask a bit of like old questions and then we'll start. Okay, one or two questions. So let's see, without seeing here and there, everybody try to tell me what will be the range and domain of mod x, signum x, and GIF, box x. These three. Fast, fast, fast. Hi Vinayak. Let's do a quick revision pro, okay? Come on, come on, come on, everybody fast. Let me put the timer, everybody. Come on, fast. We need, and no wrong and no cheating, huh? Since I'm not saying, but you should not cheat. God is watching you all, okay? Come on, it's timer has started. All three together, write it down, write it down. Chalo. Mod X we got. What about others? What about others? Pavitra ma'am. First wrong. See, we should not be in so much of hurry that instead of getting 1 mark, we get a laddu and come back. Correct? Pavitra. What is the domain and range? All real numbers for mod. Will we get all real numbers for mod? Yes, no, yes, no. Come on, fast. Hi, Nishat. Where are your answers? Penaki answers. Vimal answers. Who else is there? Don't be in such a hurry that you are putting a wrong answer. Correct? Yeah, doing fast is good, but no wrong answers. Corner, creation, where are you? Keshav, where are your answers? Nishat, where are your answers? Come on, fast. Hi, Vinayak. Answers. Range of GOF. Which question you're doing, girl? Unknown range of greatest integer function is 3 comma 3. What is that you have written? Nishat, that is purely wrong. See, yesterday only we had the discussion. What is what? Correct. Come on, come on, come on. I'll just give one last minute to everybody and then finally we'll have the discussion. Where is our Basha sir? Before putting it on the screen, on the chat, please do check everyone. Please do check. And a lot of students, they were having difficulty in downloading the chapter wise, or what do you say, previous year's questions. So what we have planned is we'll be directly putting in the free section. Okay, so directly as a PDF it will be there, you just go and download. So by tonight we'll be putting it up, and do share it with all your friends also. Clear? ठीक है हो गया 1 second student, I think it went off. इधर तो गया, इधर तो है. ये क्या हो गया था? चलो कोई बात नहीं. So now let's see. ठीक है. Chalo, let's see the answers. How many have got correct? Still I haven't got the answers from Vinayak, Shubham, Pinaki, Nishat. See, let me discuss it in a fast way. Now for modulus function. We already told modulus function what is x values. We can put anything. So domain is all real numbers. What about the range? Only positive part and 0. So either you can write 0 to infinity like this, okay, or r plus this one, both, okay. And what's so difficult in that? Clear? Once we are done with the modulus function, I told signum. Signum is mod x by x. Signum is mod x by x. So x values it takes all because there is no constraint or no restriction. X it can take all, positive, negative and 0 also. So x is domain is all real numbers. What about y? It takes only 3 values, either 1, -1 or 0. 1, -1 or 0. Okay, you didn't study this chapter for the boards, no issues. Again, do watch our lectures, Vinayak. Okay, and if you have any doubt, today is what? For those who are busy with their exam preparation, do watch the YouTube videos which we have done previously. And wherever you're finding difficulty or doubt, mark it and put a message in the WhatsApp. So this part, this thing is a doubt. I'll collect all those people and take a doubt session. Okay? Anybody there? What is the difficulty in that? Very simple, okay? Now, next, okay, Vinayak, we got it. So greatest integer function, again, by the name it says greatest integer, but it's behave as a least integer. So what happens? Okay, so domain all real numbers, but range is what? Only integral values we get. Non-integers values we don't get. That's it, done. Now everybody try to draw this graph. Very simple. Y is equal to 1 by x. I think so everybody knows how to draw this graph. Try. Just by putting the points you draw it and then you tell me what is the domain. Domain now, for those who are doing it for the first time, domain means the values of x. Correct. When I have a function y is equal to 1 by x, whatever the values x can take, that is called domain. And whatever after putting x, whatever we are getting, that is known as range. Can you find these two for this graph? First try to draw the graph and then find the value. Clear? Come on fast. Hi Harsh. The fan sound is disturbing, huh? Chalo. Domain all real number except 0, range all real number except 0. Not bad, Pavitra, not bad. Good. Amey, sir, competition will be same number, including both question paper pattern and also students. What are you asking, Amey? Same number, what you want to ask in that? Do explain it. Okay. Now, so everybody see it. This is the graph. See, even if I don't know anything, what I'll do, I'll put the value. For x equal to 1, I'll get what? Y is equal to 1. Now, the moment I increase the value x, if I put 2, it becomes less, half. If I put 3, it becomes 1/3. If I put more bigger value, it's becoming more and more smaller. Clear? So basically, it is going towards what? Almost towards the 0 part. Now, if I put here lesser values, like if I put half, it became double. If I put 1/3, it became 3. So the moment I'm going more towards 0, it is going towards infinity. So this is for the positive region, the graph, and this is for the negative region. That's it. Just put the values, you will get the answer. Once you get this, what you see? In x also, I'm not able to take 0. So all real numbers minus 0. And in y also, I'm not able to take 0. So all real numbers minus 0. So this is my domain, means x values, and this is my range. Clear? So about the level of question pattern, if it increase. See, Amaya, the level of question pattern should not increase first of all. Okay, very rare chance, because what do you say? Exams are very near. What do you say, for CBSE and everything. Plus, per question you still have 45 seconds only, 45 to 1 minute max. So they can't change to that J level or anything suddenly. They can't. Okay, so that is the thing. Because see, they need students to fill up the colleges, correct? So they can't do suddenly like that. Okay. So paper level will remain same almost. Clear, everybody? Yes, no, no doubt, yes, doubt. If you have doubt, put a note, no, what do you say, D in the chat section, and if you don't have any doubt, put ND. Where is our Basha, bro? Pavitra, no doubt. What about others? Doubt, no doubt, doubt, no doubt. Harsh, any doubt? Vimal, for everybody, don't have any shame, any kind of, what do you say, hesitation in asking doubts. Okay. Vinayak, no doubt. Okay. See, graph is all about putting numbers. Forget about anything you know. You don't have to mug up. Put x, put y, you will get. That's it. Put x, put y, you will get the value of y, and then you predict the graph. You make the graph. That's it. See, the moment I put 1, I got 1. The moment I started increasing the value of x, I saw y is decreasing. The moment I started decreasing it and making it towards 0, it started increasing. Done. So I got, like, at 0 it is 1/0, that is infinity. So coming from infinity and going towards what is the 0 part? Done. That's it. Clear? Clear, bachcho? Chalo, chalo, chalo. What about, let's see, 1 by, so this graph, if somebody gives 1 by x cube, that is also same thing. Don't say come up and shout, start shout, saying, sir, भैया आपने तो कहा था 1 by x कराया था, 1 by x cube आ गया. तो same thing. So this kind of changes Comedk and CET they can do. Okay. So if 1 by x is there, 1 by x cube, 1 by x5, same thing. Only the slope level, how fast it is changing, that changes. Nothing more than that. Clear, everyone? Yes, no in the chat section. The moment you see y equal to 1 by x power 5, don't start running and start crying. Clear? It's not difficult. It's the same thing. Okay. Whenever you see a graph, put numbers. Forget about all your feelings. Put numbers, put the values in x, you will get the y. That's it. Nothing more than that. Clear, everyone? Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, okay, okay. Chalo, everybody, y is equal to 1 by x square. Let's see, you can draw it. Y is equal to 1 by x square. Next, y is equal to 1 by x square. First, you have to draw, and then you have to tell me what is the range and domain. What is the range and domain? Fast. You just have a 2-minute timer. Hi, Lucky. Got late, bro. Sorry for the delay in the class, okay? Uh, one more day, just bear it, student, okay? One more day. 20th onwards, the class timings will be dot sharp. Whatever timing will be given, that only time class will start. So just one more day, bear it. 28th to 10th of June, no here and there. We'll finish up everything by that. And classes flow will also go up. Chalo, let's see. Where is our Basha, bro? Do join in the Kcet Comedk WhatsApp group, okay, so that everybody we can put our message directly there. And everybody can be updated, okay. I'll put the WhatsApp group link. 11th June, what, sir? What about 11th June? Vinayak, what about 11th June? Domain, all real numbers minus 0. Range is nothing but all positive real numbers. Okay, okay. What about others? Right, wrong, I don't know. What about others? Let's see. We'll try by 10th only, bro. If we see that everybody is working damn hard, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever it happens, by 10th get it done. 11th, 12th, make it for the revision 2 days. Pakka. 13th, put for the test, mock test, 13th, 14th, 15th. Get it done. Proper. So that's why we'll be needing you student support. Do inform all your friends about the crash. Okay. So target is from 28th to 10th, finish up everything. Maybe I can go for 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours of class, finish up everything, clarify each and every doubts, get it done. Now everybody got it almost. So done. Anybody has doubt in drawing the graph or having, now here range is what? 0 to infinity or r plus we can write. 0 not included because we can't get 0. So everybody got same thing. Whether you are getting 1 by x square, 1 by x power 4, 1 by x power 6 or whatever it is. Any even number of power. Doesn't matter, doesn't care. Clear everyone? Clear, clear, clear. Chalo. Next. Now we have heard about these One second, students. Chalo, let's see. Now we have basically, we can say kind of 5 types of relation. Void, you get to know. A relation having, void means what? Null, nothing. Universal, everything is a relation. What about symmetric, reflexive and transitive? Anybody has any idea? Symmetric, reflexive and transitive. Very simple, very easy things. Okay, let's say in a relation 1, A is an element. So if that element is related to itself, then it becomes reflexive. Let me first give you the basic idea. Okay. So let's say in a reflexive part, if one element is a relation, is in the relation part, it should be, if it is related to itself, then it is called reflexive. Can anybody tell me an example? Like, let's take an example, is parallel to. Okay, we have taken a set containing a lot of lines. What we have done? We have taken a set containing lines, and the relation is, the condition for relation is parallel to. So if I say that line L belongs to this relation R, can I say line L is parallel to itself? Yes or no? Every line is parallel to itself. Yes or no? Yes or no? Correct. So if I take any element and I show, what you say that it is in the relation, then that element, if it is related to itself, so L1 comma L1 also belongs to R. So we say it is reflexive. It is reflexive. Now what about symmetric? What about symmetric? Now by word symmetry means if I know that L1 comma L2 belongs to R, L1 comma L2 belongs to R, it means what? It follows this condition. Means L1 is parallel to L2. So can I say if L1 is parallel to L2, L2 must be parallel to L1? So by that, therefore, can I say L2 comma L1 also belongs to R? So if this belongs to R and its symmetry part or the reciprocal part also belongs to R, can I say it is symmetric? Correct. Now the third part, transitive. I know L1, I have taken that let L1 comma L2 belong to R. These two lines, they are in a relation, and we have assumed L2 and L3, they are in relation. If these two happens, then what happens? We can say if these two are in a relation, then it should follow the condition. What is the condition? That L1 has to be parallel to L2. L2 here has to be parallel to L3. So can I say L1 is parallel to L3? So can I say L1 comma L3 is also in relation, belongs to relation? So it means that if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, and by using the condition of the relation, we can say that A comma C also belongs to R, then that is transitive. That is transitive. Now everybody knows this part, yes, no, or it went above the head, because a lot of people, you all have studied this earlier also. So I'm just, what is it, recapping it. Any doubt, anybody? I'll take other examples and explain, or you got it? Tell me. Yes, no, honest answer. No need to show off here, because in this part, YouTube part, we are not here to show off. We are here to learn. If you don't know, I'll explain. If you know, well and good, we'll move ahead. No issues. Don't think about what other students will think. Okay. Yes, no, students. Yes, no. Come on, some answers on the chat. Come on, do say people fast. Pavitra only yes. What about others? What about other students? Vinayak, yes, okay. Kartike, no doubt. What about Lucky? Nishat? Nishat got it, sir. Okay, okay, good, good. What about others? Keshav, no doubt, no doubt. And everybody promise that you will be honest, okay? No here and there. Then only I'll be able to know, because see, I'm not able to see your faces. So I can see the face and say, oh, these kids are telling correct. Or from the face I can say and read and say, yeah, they have some doubt, the face is showing, okay. So I can't do that. So at least I need honesty from your part. For the offline classes, I can do that. I can see the faces, I can say, oh, okay, this kid didn't understand. That girl didn't understand, but here we can't. So at least you have to be honest so that we can make this crash the best and everybody can score the top rank what we want, okay? Clear? Chalo. Now, if all these three conditions follow, if all these three types are followed, if it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, we say a relation is equivalence. Equivalence. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Very simple. If all these three are there, we say it is equivalent. We say it is equivalent. Any doubt? Any doubt? Very simple. Clear? Now, can we show that is perpendicular to, is it reflexive, symmetric, transitive, is perpendicular to a relation between lines, a set containing lines, a set of lines, and the relation is, condition of relation is perpendicular to. Show me fast. Is perpendicular to. Come on, come on, come on. Show me fast. Let's see. Is it reflexive, symmetric, transitive? Is it reflexive, symmetric, transitive? Ma'am wrote reflexive. Okay, okay. What about others? What about others? Symmetric also, okay. Not reflexive, not reflexive, but symmetric and transitive. Karthik, okay. What about others? Pavitra ma'am, it is reflexive, symmetric, but not transitive. Okay. What about others? I need answers from all. Nishat, not reflexive. Okay. Keshav, not reflexive. So Pavitra ma'am, what happened the first time? Now everybody, when you're giving the answer for the first time, I'll take your first answer only, no changing. Because in exam, you won't have time to change. So try to answer in one go, try to answer in one go, try to answer in one go, students, okay? Clear? What about Lucky? Not reflexive, but symmetric and transitive, okay? What about others? So everybody understood here why it can't be reflexive? Because a line cannot be perpendicular to itself. Correct? It can be parallel to itself, it cannot be perpendicular to itself. Clear? But other two it can happen. If this line is A, this line is B, if A and B are perpendicular to each other, B and A is also perpendicular. Now, transitive, a lot of people have done mistake. Let's see. If A is perpendicular to B and B is perpendicular to C. So what is A? What is the relation between A and C? What is the relation between A and C? A perpendicular to B and B perpendicular to C. What is the relation between A and B? Tell me, everybody, how is it is being what do you say? What do you say? How A and C are related? How many people wrote not transitive? One. A lot of people wrote transitive. Lucky, gone. What about others? Karthike, don't be so hurry, bro. Everybody, see, understand. In exam, again and again, I'm telling. It will take just seconds. No, draw it. Chill. Nothing to write and show. In exam, they're not asking like you know everything to write and show. Then why are you going for that? Just draw. First line, this line. Ask yourself: is A? Can I make another A only, and a perpendicular to itself? Answer will come no. A perpendicular to B? Yes, bro. B perpendicular A? Definitely, bro. A B? Yes, definitely. B C? Definitely perpendicular. But AC relation? Parallel. That's it. So simple things. Don't do mistakes in simple things, okay? Clear, everyone? Yes, no, fast. Everybody got it? One more question I'll give fast. Now a set containing triangles, okay? So and the relation is similar to similarity, which we learned in what? Class 7th, correct? 7th, 8th. Let's see who can do it. We need all correct answers from everybody. Come on. Think, take your time and do it correct and give me. Okay? No hurry worry, okay? Don't, what do you say? They say that when we do something hurriedly, it's like a devil's work. So don't do like that. Chalo, you have 2 minutes time, okay? लेट्स सी बच्चों, बहुत सारे बच्चों का आंसर्स आया, चलो देखते हैं। इक्विवेलेंस इक्विवेलेंस इक्विवेलेंस, करेक्ट। सिमिलर बहुत सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट था, सारे बच्चों ने कर लिया करेक्ट, क्योंकि हर एक ट्रायंगल खुद से सिमिलर, एवरी ट्रायंगल इज सिमिलर टू इटसेल्फ. If triangle A is similar to triangle B, B is also similar to A. Done. A similar to B, B similar to C. So done. So equivalence. Very simple question. Let's see a bit complicated. So now a set of natural numbers where the relation condition is divided by. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on, everybody, is divided by. Let's see how many people will be able to solve fast. You just have 2 minutes, so do not delay. Exactly 2 minutes will start again. Let's see, you can do it. Coming in a minute, students, do fast. Chalo, let's see everyone's answers. Its time is done. Come on. Kartike, we got reflexive, not symmetric, but transitive. Okay. Not lucky, not symmetric, transitive and reflexive. Okay. Pavitra, reflexive, unknown girl, not transitive. ओम पटीदार, सर जी अभी तक कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, क्या करूं? पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दो, और क्या करना है? कुछ और करने का मन कर रहा है क्या? देखो, पढ़ाई नहीं किया तो स्टार्ट कर दो, ठीक है? और तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, कुछ और कर सकते तो बताओ, ठीक है? और चूंकि ज़्यादा पहले नहीं किया है तो ज़्यादा करना स्टार्ट कर दो। चलो पीयूष, रिपीट क्वेश्चंस। रिपीट, ओ यू वांट मी टू रिपीट द क्वेश्चन? चलो पीयूष भैया देख लो क्वेश्चन। अ सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, हमारे पास एक सेट दिया था किसका? नेचुरल नंबर वाले भैया का, ठीक है? एंड द रिलेशन इज फाउंड बाय अ कंडीशन इज डिवाइडेड बाय, ओके? So in that case we have to find what is, whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive, yes or no. Let's see, a lot of people, they have given the answers. Okay, chalo, today Basha is not there. Where did that kid go? Oh, chalo. So we got a lot of answers, but whose is correct? That's a big question. But whose is correct? That's a big question. Let's see. So we know every number is divided by itself. So if somebody has written not reflexive, they should take a small bowl, put water and take a what? Full dubki in it. Correct. Next, about symmetric. Now about symmetric, 4 is divided by 2. But can we say that 2 is divided by 4? Can we say that 2 is divided by 4 for natural number? Yes, no, kid. Yes, no. Yes, no. Clear? So everybody wrote not symmetric. Now if I know 4 comma 2 is there a relation, means 4 is divided by 2, and I know 2 is divided by 1. So can I say 4 is divided by 1? So it is transitive. Clear? सर एक मंथ में कुछ हो सकता, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा, ठीक है? 14 मई को रात में 11 बजे फॉर्म भरा मैंने, एंड आई वॉज इंडिया एस्पिरेंट बट फेल्ड. नो इश्यूज होम. इफ यू वांट टू वर्क हार्ड, join the course, work hard, 1 month, forget about everything, whatever is done. And now also if you work hard, you'll be able to score a damn good rank, okay? But you should again not waste time. Clear? Do call on this number, okay? Do call on this number, not now. 8050491740. I'll be there and I'll have a talk with you, okay? Clear? Chalo, everybody got the answer? Everybody got the answer? Chalo, next question. First, we need seriousness, dedication home. Dedication means proper 100%. Okay. Chalo. Now concentrate on the class. Forget about all the things. What time right now you have, that is most important. So right now utilize this time. Now let's talk about functions. We already know what is a function. A relation which follows one condition, that each and every element of A has an image, unique image in B. That's it, done. So that was the basic of functions. Now here we'll talk about the different types of functions. What the first type is 1 function. See, by the name only it means 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 1. Okay, 1 of X element is mapped with 1 of Y element. Clear? Or 1 of set A element is mapped with 1 of set B element. So very simple, 1 1. One part taken from this side, one part taken from this side, unmatched. So that is known as 1 1. Clear? How to check 1 1? Put fx1 equal to fx2, and in the end, after solving, if you are getting x1 equal to x2, it means it is a 1 1 function. Another name for 1 1 function, injective function. Another name, injective function. Another name of that function is injective function. Clear everyone? Got it? Everybody, this page is clear? Yes or no? Yes or no in the chat section. Fast, fast, fast. चलो बच्चों, थोड़ा फास्ट चैट सेक्शन में बताना जरूरी है, ठीक है? सही गलत समझ आ रहा नहीं आ रहा, बाउंस हो रहा है, डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू से किड्स. And be honest, we are here to learn. If you don't know a single thing also, just raise your hand and say yes, I don't know it. Okay, doesn't matter. Come on, come on, come on, fast. Chalo. Okay. One more time, Pavitra. Okay, no issues. See, understand, Pavitra. What we said is function. Basically, what we know, what is a function? Definitely 1 month. Understand, from 20th by 10th we'll finish everything. Okay. Though we have started the course, but still you'll be able to see the recorded part. By 10th of June we'll finish everything. 11th, 12th I'll give you time to revise. And 13th, 14th, 15th mock test will be there for everybody, okay? Yeah, repeating Lucky. I'll repeat just 1 minute, okay? Now, for everybody, do inform all your friends about the crash course so that it will help us, okay? And it will be easier for us to reduce the fees and everything for that crash course part also, okay? Now, we've already kept to the pretty minimum, okay? Now, see everybody, here in this case, what we are talking about is a 1-1 function. 1-1 means what? From the X part, one element will come, or from the set A, one element I am taking, that is getting matched to one another element in B. So that's why one element from here, one element from here. That's why this function is known as 1-1 function. Means every element is matched only one time. Okay, or we can say every element of A has only one image in B. Every element of A has only one image in B. That's it. Clear everyone? Nothing more than that. Clear? Now, so when I say f of 1 is A, it means that f of 1 cannot have any other image other than A. The moment I say f of 1 is A, it means 1 is matched with A. So 1 cannot be matched with any other element. Clear? Because it's a 1-1 function. Now, how do we check? What do? We write fx1 equal to fx2. Now I know this function value fx1 cannot be equal to another function value. It can be only equal in case x1 is equal to x2. Means, can I say f1 can never be equal to f2? Because whatever the value f1 will be matched, let's say A, f2 will always definitely be matched with some other value. And if they both have same matching, it means that this is also 1 and this is also 1. Clear? Clear everyone? From tomorrow मैं झुकेगा नहीं, एकदम definitely झुकना नहीं bro, ठीक है? So do the hard work. 1 month from whatever position you are right now, you'll be in a different level. 1 month, forget about everything, only studies and your exam. That's it. Clear? Chalo. So everybody got it now. What is a 1-1 function? This function is also known as injective function. That's the name, nothing, just to show off. I don't know what to say, why mathematicians, they have a habit of putting like these kinds of names, but okay, it's good. Once you become a mathematician, you can also put up. Okay, so anybody has any doubt now? Yes, no, Lucky is clear. What about unknown girl? Clear. Whose doubt was? Pavitra. Pavitra ma'am, any doubt? Clear. What about others? Chalo, sabka clear? Chalo. Clear. Good. Vinay, where is our Vinay buddy? Where are you, Vinay? Basically, daily timings will be somewhere around, I'll try to take 8 to 11, okay, math section. And I'll try to take between 2 to 5 physics, or like, what do you say, 2 to 4 physics, 5 to 5:30 to 7 chemistry will be there. Again, night will have YouTube section, okay. So where we'll be targeting a lot of things, okay, revision, PYQ, a lot of things. So let's say this will be the target zone, okay, mostly. Clear? Chalo, everybody clear? Chalo, next page बढ़ते हैं. Now we have just given an example of next function is many one. From the word only what we are saying, many of the X elements are attached to one of the Y element, or many of the set A elements are mapped with one of the Y element. Means see 2 and 3 means many elements are mapped with only one image B. So if I say f of 2 is also B, f of 3 is also B, this is known as many one function. From here set a many mapped to 1. So that is known as many one function. Clear? What about self-studies? Whatever time the left is, that is your self-studies. See, whatever, let's say somebody is getting morning 5 a.m. So if you are getting up morning to 8 a.m. before I'm starting the class, that is your self-study. See, whatever you have done, not done, I'm targeting 30 days. So 30 days, each and every second, you also have to target. If you're not targeting, then we won't be able to do anything good. Okay? So not just my effort, your effort is also very, very, very much important. So morning 5 to 8, you get it done. 8 to 11 if I am doing. After 11 to, let's say I'm coming back at 2. So 11 to 2 again, that time. Don't waste a single second for 1 month. If you want to score a rank which is unimaginable by others, like 1,000 below or a 500 below, then you have to go after that. 11 to 2 again, your timing. Again 4 to 5:30 before chemistry class, your timing. Again from 7 to I am coming back, like let's say 9:30. So again 2.5. See here 2, here how much? 12, 3 hours, here 1.5 hour, here 2.5. So how much? 2.5, 1.5. How much? 3 and 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 of yours, 8 or 9 of mine, 18 hours of study. 1 month, do get it. Get in the top college, then chill. Whatever you want to do. Go into RV, okay, go into PES, go into BMS, take CS branch, whatever you want to take. After that, first year, go and chill, no issues. Because first year, they also know you have come up with so much of pressure. They also, the syllabus and everything of first year is damn chill. They don't force anything. So this 1 month, make it damn good. Each and every second, let it count. And the revision is most important here, okay? Clear? Yes, no, clear? Chalo. This page, everybody clear? Many one function? Everybody clear? Many one function? Good, Pavitra. What about others? And everybody try to be a bit faster on the chat. I know my chat, loads very slow. Because see, I want to see that every student has written clear. Because it gives a damn good feeling that, okay, everybody is able to understand. The moment anybody is not able to understand, I'll mark that. I'll keep it, okay, this girl, this boy is not able to understand. Later on, I have to take a class to make them explain. Because one concept left also that can change the whole paper game. So we can't take that single risk also. Okay, students? Clear? Chalo. Now, this part, student, as of now, just make a note. This part, as of now, just make a note along with this. I'll explain you later how we are getting it. Don't worry. See, if a function is from A to B, set A to B, and how do we use it as of now, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Because I don't want to complicate stuff here. Don't worry. Okay. If the number of elements in A is M and the number of elements in B is N, and everybody is asking how many number of 1 1 functions are there. Okay, so first thing you need to know, if it has to be a function, then the number of n values has to be more than m. Because if any value here is staying, it won't be a function only. Correct? We all know that for something, for two sets or a relation to be a function, every element of A has to be matched. So here we can have an extra element, but in the A section we can't have extra. So that's why the number of values of n is equal to greater than m. Clear, everybody? Clear? Now the number of 1 1 functions, if n is greater than m, is npm. npm. Okay, how it is coming, I'll show you with a question, don't worry. Okay, as of now we just write down the formula. Clear? The moment we are doing the PYQ, I'll explain you with the numbers and the values, don't worry. Very simple it is also, but here as of now don't worry, just write down this part. What you need to write, you need to understand and write that I have a function which is going from A to B, and the number of elements in set A, the first set A is m, and the number of elements in set B is n. Now I already know that this B means the codomain set can contain extra. By the definition of the function, no element in A can be left unmatched. So all the elements of m has to be less than n. Clear? If m is more than n, it cannot be 1 1. Clear? Because let's say, I'm again explaining, let's say I have like this 1 2 3 4, and here I have 7 8 6. Now it is a 1 1 function, so 1 matched with 7, 2 with 8, 3 with 6. What will this do? Here in this case is what? M is greater than n. Where it will be matched? The moment I match like this, it will be many 1. So I can't do the matching. Correct? So the moment I match 4 to 6, it will be many 1. It can't be 1 1. So what we are seeing, the condition that the elements m cannot be greater than n. M cannot be greater than n. If m is greater than n, then it won't be 1 1 function. It won't be a 1 1 function. So here bring a 9. It is matched. So m can be equal to n. M can be equal to n. We can have 1 1 function. Clear? If this much, how many elements are here? Same elements are here. We can do 1 1 mapping. We can have one extra here. No issues. We can have one extra here. No issues. So n can be greater than m. Because even if we have extra here also, still it is 1 1. Because every element of A is matched with only one element of B. Every element of A is matched with only one element of B. So still it is a 1 1 function. Clear? Now when we have the condition n is greater than m, so the number of permutations that will be for 1 1 function will be, what will be the answer? npm, the maximum one. Like if we have 5 here, so 5p3 or 5p4 depending on the question. Okay, clear? A bit tough concept. Again, let me explain. Don't worry, don't worry. See here. Now understand how do we implement in a question. Let me give you a question only and ask you the question. This. They have given a question. Set A is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is containing 7, 8, 9, 6 and 10. Okay, they're asking number of 1 1 function. Number of 1 1 function. So first you need to check the number of elements of A has to be less than the number of elements of B. Or you can say the otherwise, the number of elements in B has to be greater than the number of, because my relation is from A to B. Relation is from, or the function is from A to B. So the number of elements of B should be greater than the number of elements of A. So B, how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, 3, 4, 5. Let's make it 6. Clear? So 6 is greater than 5. We got, it will be 1, 1. Now next for 1, 1 function, what is the direct formula? The number of elements of B, so 6, P, and the number of elements of A. How many? 5. So this is the total number of 1, 1 function. So don't go too deep how it came and everything. It's simple only, but simple permutation. But as of now, just keep this in mind. Did everybody get it or you didn't get it? How to solve this question? We will go deep into the revision part a bit more later. Don't worry. As of now, how to solve this question and get the answer. Did you all get it or not? If somebody asks you like this question, this is A set, this is B set, okay, and they're asking you what is the number of 1 function, because it will be just 1 mark and you will have 30 seconds. So will you be able to solve, yes or no? Tell me that answer. Come on everybody, I want everybody an honest answer. If not also I'll again explain, one on one also I'll explain, don't worry. But tell me the answer fast. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, people, yes, no, fast. Yes, no, people, Karthike, no doubt. What about others? What about others? Pavitra, yes. Okay. What about others? Everybody, I need an answer. Sir, explain once again. Okay, Keshav, no issues, no issues. What about others? How many people didn't understand the first go? Come on, come on, come on. Be honest and say it. No issues. I'm there to explain. Don't worry. Okay. Come on. What about others? Others. Vinayak, Lucky. Did you get it? No, you didn't get it. What is it? Yes, no, yes, no. I need everyone's answer. Come on, come on, come on. Whoever is there in the chat section, do write. Doesn't matter if you say you didn't understand. Also, I'll explain. So, but I need like whether you're able to understand or not. Okay. Vinayak, yes, you got it. What about others? Vinayak already said yes. So nobody is extra there. Okay. Okay. See. Again, let us take a question and understand how will they ask the question and how will we answer it. ठीक है, हमें सिर्फ इतना समझना बच्चों कि क्वेश्चन आएगा कैसे और क्वेश्चन को आंसर कैसे करना. अभी ज़्यादा डेप्थ में नहीं जाना हमें. ठीक है, हमें क्वेश्चन दिया गया. व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू अस इज A1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They have given the values. So the number of elements in A, they have given it as 5. And they have given the set B as 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the number of elements in B is equal to how many? 3 and 3, 6. Now they're asking how many. They'll ask simple. This is the way they ask. How many? And the function is from, they'll say function is from A to B. How many 1 function we can form? How many 1 function we can get? How many 1 function we can get? Clear? So what will be the answer? If I remember the formula directly, my answer will be the number of element of set B, number of element of set B, permutation, number of element of set A. Number of element of set A. This much everybody can remember. So number of element of set B is how much? 6. Permutation 5. So 6P5 is the answer directly. Did everybody understood this part, this simple part? Everybody got this part? Yes, no in the chat screen. Come on, fast. Just this much. We don't need to know as of now the whole science. We'll come to that slowly. As of now, this much to solve the question and get 1 marks and come back home happily. Tell me, yes, no. Keshav, did you get it this time? Come on, Keshav. What about others? Nishat? Pinaki is there? I don't know. If you're there, okay, good. What about others? Everybody got? Okay, good. Yes. So this much we need to know. Two details and all that, they are not giving it and we don't have to worry. Okay, clear? Just to solve the question, they'll be giving me this much of data. Okay, this much of data, and by that I'll be able to get the answer. That's it. That's my point to clear the CT and Comedk exam. I'll go in much details if you have more time and everything. I'll go and explain. Though that's also very simple. But right now we'll not go into that. Clear? Our target is just to get the marks fast. Clear, everybody? Chalo, can we go to the next question? Let's see. Now on to function. Good, Nishad. So first time you got it cleared or you didn't get it cleared? Do write in the chat section. Do write the chat section, kids, okay? It gives me an idea that whether you're able to understand the first attempt or not. And what do you say, whether to go a bit slow, a bit fast and all, everything, okay? Clear? Now, next on to function. Now what is on to function? Very simple. One line, this function can be summed up. If your range is equal to codomain. If your range is equal to codomain. What do you mean by that? Range means whatever the elements which are the image of the what? Elements of set A. If that elements is equal to all the elements of set B, that's it. Means, in simple words, if I want to say range equal to codomain, means no element in set B is left behind. If I am seeing a situation that no element in set B is left behind, means they are unmatched, means there is no element like what is it, some with something 8 here. Every element has an image, pre-image in A. It means it is a onto function. Clear? Or you can understand where range is equal to codomain. Range means the values which are participating in the relation, the values of B which are the image of A, and codomain means whole set B, whole set B. Clear? So if each and every element of set B, if each and every element of set B is taking part, okay, in the relation, then we can say that range equal to codomain. Clear? If each and every element is a image of some element of set A, we can say like this also. If each and every element of set B is an image of set A element, then it is onto function. Or if somebody is able to understand by this word, range is equal to codomain, that also damn good. Range is equal to codomain. Now, a lot of students will ask, sir, what is range? Range is the values of set B, okay, which are matched with elements of set A. The values or the elements of set B which are matched with the elements of set A. That is range. What is codomain, students? Again, understand, I'm explaining from the details, okay, from the basics. What is codomain? All the elements of set B. So write it down. What is codomain? All elements of set B. What is range, students? Elements of B which are images of set A, or same thing, this you can write elements of set B which are matched with element of set A. Matched with element of set A. Clear, everyone? Everybody write down this part. Everybody write down this part. Okay? Or we can say each element of B has a pre-image in A. Now what is pre-image? See, or we say it, see 1 is related to 4, so we say 4 is the image of 1. What we say? 4 is the image of 1. So if I want to reverse it, what I can say? 1 is the pre-image of 4. 1 is the pre-image of 4. Clear? So if every element of B has a pre-image, then we can say it is an onto function. Then if every element of a B has a pre-image in A, then it is an onto function. Now definition of onto is just this much. Range is equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain. That's it. Definition is that much. But we need to understand what do you mean by range and what do you mean by codomain. We need to understand what do you mean by codomain and what do you mean by range. Clear? Go through. First write down everything. Don't worry. Write down this page. I'll again explain. Everybody. Write down this page. Take your time. Write down this page. Come on, everybody, don't hesitate. Write down. The moment you write, you will be able to understand or you will be able to ask a doubt. The moment you have that, I'll again explain the doubt. Don't worry. Write down fast. So everybody write it down, write it down, write it down. Everybody, come on, come on. Okay. See, some of the concepts will be a bit difficult, so don't worry. Don't lose your patience, okay? Very important. For any fight, your patience is very important, okay? Have patience, okay? Clear? Because I'll be there. Even if I have to explain 100 times, I'll be there. Don't worry for that. Clear? But from your side, I should not see that you're getting impatient. Take it slowly, slowly. Because see, we are going at a very good pace. We finished 2 chapters. Good, Nishad. We finished 2 chapters, okay, of math and det. And we are going with the sets also. We finished third. We are going with relation and function. That is 2 chapters. And that too of 11th and 12th combined. So you don't have to worry. Go a bit slow also. Few things. Take your time. Get the grasp. I'll again and again explain. So don't worry. Okay. Write down everybody. One minute, student. Okay. Everybody written. Once you have written, put in the chat section. Okay. Fast, fast, fast. Everybody. चलो लिख लिया सब बच्चों ने? एवरीबडी हैज रिटन? Written everybody? How many people understood and how many has a doubt? Honest answer. Honest answer everybody, come on. I'll again explain for those who didn't understand. So don't worry, but honest answer. Come on everybody fast. Who all got it and who all didn't get it? Read it once slowly. What I said, what is range, what is codomain, and whenever a function is said to be onto, range is equal to codomain. Understand that, read what I've written, and then tell me. Lucky, Karthik, Vinay, Keshav. Keshav, no doubt, good. What about others? If doubt, then also good. If no doubt, then also good. Doesn't matter. Fast, fast, fast. Karthike, no doubt. Lucky, no doubt. Nishat, no doubt. If somebody has doubt also, don't feel the hesitation. Directly say it with proud and confidence, okay? With full confidence say it, sir, I have a doubt. I'll again explain. Don't worry. If people are writing no doubt and you have a doubt, never hesitate, okay? You are here to improve your rank. So be honest with yourself. And with your teacher also, okay? It is said never to lie with your doctor and your teacher. Otherwise, it is very difficult to treat the... Okay, Pavitra ma'am has written, sir, set A have 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B have A, B, C. In set B have two pre-image A and B. It is onto function. Okay, okay. Let's see what is the example ma'am has given. Let's see that example. Let's analyze that, okay? So ma'am is telling, sir, in a set A, I'll take one, two, three, and 4. Answer, in set B, I'll take A, B, C. Okay. Now ma'am is telling that, sir, in set B have two pre-image. Very good, no issues. Correct. This B element here has two pre-image, 2 also and 3 also. Now forget about all that. Okay, what I said the condition for onto. Whenever onto comes, just remember one line. Whenever onto comes, just remember one line. What is that line? Range equal to codomain. Range equal to codomain. Find out the range. What is the range, Pavitra? You tell me. A, B, and C. What is the codomain? The elements of set B, A, B, and C. Are these two equal? Yes or no? Are these two equal? Yes or no? Ask yourself. So if range equal to codomain, directly onto function. Got it? Yes or no? Yes or no, Pavitra ma'am? Did you get it? Damn good, damn good. What about others? Any doubt? Any doubt? Chalo, chalo. Good. Now, for everybody, just close your eyes and copy it down. I'll explain when we are doing the numerical part. Don't worry. Just this is an important trick. Okay, not for 12th kids, but just giving you all. Just write it down. How to find the number of onto functions. It helps you in the exam to get it in like seconds, okay? Just write it down here. in with the PYQs I'll explain. Just write down and copy down the function and write down trick. That's it. Come on fast. Everybody write it down. Written everybody? Chalo. Chalo everybody. Written till here? Yes, no, yes, no. For today, we'll keep it till here, students, okay? Tomorrow, sharp 8 a.m. in the morning, we'll have the class. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. we'll have the class, okay? So everybody be here. Today, whatever we have written till here, revise it. No need to hurry. This is the only one good chapter where you can get a bit confused. So don't worry. Whatever you have written till here, revise it everything. So everything should be perfectly clear. When we'll be starting the class tomorrow 8 to 8:15 I'll be asking the doubts and I'll be asking the revision questions. Clear everybody? 8 to 8:15 I'll be asking the doubts on the revision part, okay? So everybody revise whatever we have done till now. Math, debt, relation, functions till here part, okay? Not much is left. We'll be finishing tomorrow this part and the PYQ. And in the physics part, we'll be starting electric capacitance, electric potential and capacitance, okay? Clear? So work hard, be dedicated, Jain students.